welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is going to be about the only cleaning products you will ever need in your house, and you will never need to buy those commercial cleaning products ever again. So obviously this is going to be a DIY video. If you guys like these kind of videos, make sure to throw a thumbs up down below, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new here, and let's just get straight into it. So the first thing that we're going to start off with is glass cleaner. So my glass cleaner is super simple. I do have these little glass jars that I bought from Amazon. I will link all that stuff down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. So what I normally add in my glass cleaner is vinegar, and I usually add about 4 tablespoons. I'm eyeballing it right now because I've done this plenty of times. And then you want to add the rest of it with water. And if you do not like the smell of vinegar, you can always add a dash of lemon juice or lime juice or essential oils, whatever, so you can get rid of that vinegar smell. I know some people cannot stand it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm grabbing my little glass cloth that I purchased from Walmart, and this thing is awesome because it leaves no streaks, and I put it in the wash and lay it out to dry. So it's like a forever paper towel or newspaper. I know newspaper works really great on glass. So this is your replacement of that. And what I normally do is I wash the bathroom mirrors and, just wash the windows to my house sometimes if they get dirty from the winter. I wash my bedroom mirror and stuff like that around the house. And also, if you guys want to do your car mirrors and car windows, it works great. I have a backup solution in a plastic bottle in my trunk. So, because I'm always trying to keep my car nice and clean and intact. So if I am going to clean my car that day, I'll just bring that rag with me, and that's it. So that product is going to replace Windex. Windex is filled with chemicals. It's not vegan friendly at all. I just don't see the purpose of Windex at all, or any kind of glass cleaner that contains so much chemicals. So switching over to water and vinegar for a natural glass cleaner can definitely save you a ton of money. The next DIY cleaning solution is an antibacterial spray. So the ingredients for this is same thing, very simple, and it is 2 teaspoons of peroxide and 2 teaspoons of dish soap. I use Dr. Brahma's soap because it's versatile and it's vegan friendly. And then you want to add like a cup of water. You always want to add water to these solutions to just get it going. So if you guys do not know, peroxide is a natural disinfector. So I did not know that until around last year, and I was buying the bacterial spray, the method one, and then I realized that if I just add a little bit of water and peroxide and maybe 2 little teaspoons of the Dr. Brahma soap, I can have myself a really great DIY little solution here instead of purchasing another bottle, another plastic bottle, which adds waste. And also, I know that it is like chemical-free friendly and stuff, but there are still some chemicals in there that I am trying to just stay away from. So this is another product that you can use anywhere in the house, your doorknobs, your bathroom sink, anywhere you think that you always use your little disinfector wipes, you can use this in replacement of that. So it's going to save you a ton of money because we all have peroxide either in our medicine cabinets or tucked away somewhere in case you guys have kids and stuff like that, or you scratch yourself. I know I hurt myself at work, and I do use peroxide to kill the bacteria and stuff. So we always have peroxide laying around. And we always have dish soap laying around, and obviously water is from the sink. So why not save yourself some money and try this out? You guys will fall in love. I have not bought in bacterial disinfectant since, I want to say, last winter, and I'm never going back. I'm sticking with this solution because it works. And next thing that we are going to discuss is my floors. My floors are wood floors, and they're all real wood floors. So I was very hesitant with cleaning them. I didn't want to ruin them because my landlord takes really great pride into this whole, it's like an old house, but she split it into apartments. So I do acknowledge her pride when it comes to the floors because if you guys seen in my tour videos, the wooden floors are the main reason why I wanted this apartment. I didn't want wall-to-wall carpet. So I tried my best to find something that can maintain them and not ruin them. So the best thing that I found on the market for these floors is the Murphy oil. All I do is add about 2 to 4 teaspoons of Murphy oil into my mop, and then I add the rest of it with water, and I just spray away, and it just leaves a nice little glossy finish and also leaves it clean. And it is natural, so Murphy oil is 100% natural, and that's what I really like about it. Like I said, each room has wood floors except for the kitchen and the bathroom. So this works really great on wood floors and tiles. So it's a multi-purpose cleaner, and this is the only thing I use for my floors, especially the wood ones, obviously. But give it a try if you guys have wood floors or tiles. Give the Murphy oil a try. It is natural and it's cheap. So I paid about $3 for that bottle, and I've had that bottle since I moved into this apartment. So that was a little over a year ago now, and I have enough to still go, and I mop my floors every week. So that bottle is lasting me quite a long time. And again, I will link that down below so you guys can check it out. And last but not least is my tub and toilet cleaner. So with the tub and toilet cleaner, they are both the same exact thing. What you want to do is you want to get some baking soda and you want to sprinkle it around your tub or your toilet, and you want to let it sit for a good 30 minutes, and then spray some vinegar after the 30 minutes around the areas that you sprinkled the baking soda. And after you spray vinegar, what you want to do is you want to just rinse it off with some water, whether it's warm water, cold water, use whatever you want. I'm using cold water. It's just what I always use. And then you have a nice, shiny, clean tub. So moving on to the toilet, you're going to want to do the exact same method. You're going to want to sprinkle some baking soda. You're going to want to let it sit for 30 minutes. You scrub the toilet with the regular scrub brush on the side, and that's about it. They both come out really clean, and they're both disinfected as well. So there you guys have it. That is my 4 simple DIY cleaning products. I really hope you enjoy this video. If you guys try these out and they save you money, like calculate how much money you spend on all the cleaning products you have, because commercial advertisement, when it comes to certain products, they like to scam you. And I know the commercials look great and stuff like that, especially some people have like the wipes, and the wipes will be only used for computers. So then you gotta buy new wipes to wipe down your desk with, and it just goes on and on. There's a cleaning product out there for everything. I'm not hating on companies. I know they want to make their money too, but let's just be reasonable with what we have and not create waste, and let's be chemical free as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do try these out and you do keep it in your little monthly budget, let me know down below how much money you've saved on your cleaning products, and let me know if these products work for you as much as they do for me. So I'm gonna leave you guys on that note, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!